Alright, so I'm gonna do like a teardown of this IBM ThinkPad laptop. It doesn't really work anymore. Well, it does, it's just really slow and old. And anyway, I've got most of the screws out of the back. And yeah, I've got all the battery, I've got the covers removed. And I've got the CD thing removed. So now we're just gonna try to pop this off and see what's in there. I'm gonna do as much as I can before my iPod runs out of memory. So let's go. Let's see. Pop that under the. Can I pull this off? This enough? I don't want to have to take the whole. See what I can get out before. Alright. Come on. Pop off, butthole. I don't want to have to take. I want to see if I can get this thing off without popping the screen off. So, let's see if we can do that. I have not taken this really apart before. Actually, I haven't been. I've been inside the monitor. I've never been inside the body. Well, I guess I could take it apart. Alright, so I'm gonna go through it and find all the little tape or seals that cover up all the holes, or all the screws and stuff. Just gonna pop that off and throw it in the bucket. There's one here. One here, and there's one here. Okay. Let's put that away for a little bit. We'll take a screwdriver, and we'll try to take these screws out. I don't even know if I can upgrade these things anymore. That's why I'm taking it apart. Plus, I'm getting a new one anyway. I'm gonna get a MacBook Pro. Yeah. I really don't need a laptop. I just want one for like gaming and stuff. Well, I don't know. I'm also looking at a bigger desktop computer for gaming. I'm probably gonna end up with 2 computers. I don't know. gonna try to build, and I'm gonna build my own gaming one. I'm gonna try to build it cheap too, cause I don't want to end up spending another $2,000 on something. Okay, what do we got here? All right. Screw here. And there's one. Oh, that was cool. Just flew. Right. Put the knife down. Now I've just got a neodymium magnet here that I pulled out of a hard drive. Or I don't remember what the magnet was from. I think it might be from a hard drive. It broke anyway, so I'm not really sure where it's from. I'm just gonna go around and check for screws. Alright. Oh man. The LCD still works, so if I can get this out in one piece, I can sell it. Probably. I don't know. If anybody wants an LCD for anything. Balls. Alright, so we got the frame off. It broke. It was actually already broken, so I didn't do it. Okay, let's see if we can pull the display out. And this is the display. Interesting. I wonder why that was. I hope that wasn't already out. I mean, I don't know. I don't even know what this is. I think it's like a. I don't know what it is right now. Actually, I'll look at it later. Alright, so we'll turn it around. Pop that connector off. Alright, and we got our display. Okay. Now there's a wire here, you little wire. You silly little wire. Alright, what's in there? I don't know right now. See, will this pop off of anything? Or will this pop off of it? Let's see what this does. Alright, we'll pop these metal rib things out to hold everything in. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm pulling out metal bits. And just pull some stuff. Oh, what's that do? What did that do? Uh-oh. I'm a troll. I'm trolling. Alright, so that pretty much just bends down out of there. Alright. Now, how does this thing come up? There. Booyah. Booyah. Got the back off. Yeah, I think I could still use this as a computer. I just have to hook a monitor into the VGA port. I think it should still work though. Okay, I'm going to pause it right here and upload this video, and then I'll come back with the next one.